Hi everyone, and welcome to this very simple marble nail art tutorial. We were going to end up with something that looks a little bit like this one. I don't know how you can see that because the sun has now come out, as beautiful as it is. But yes, what I've done is I have already prepared my nail. I've got 2 coats of the Pink in Her Cheeks, which is a new colour from Artistic Colour Gloss from their spring collection. So 2 coats of colour. I've sealed that with a top coat, the glossing gel, just in case I make a mistake and I want to wipe it off. So I've removed the inhibition layer and I'm now going to apply my 3 colours. I have opted for Bride, which is a white. I like white in a marble because it helps the colour to pop. I have Pica-So Pink, which I'm just going to dot inside my white, and I have Killer Stems, which is a lovely bright green. I'm just going to pop that next to it. With a thin brush or a dotting tool, you are just going to swirl these colours in together to create the marble effect that you would like. Just be careful not to end up with too much product in one place, ready for when we're curing. So I've cured my design. I was happy with my marble. And now I'm going to take some silver gel paint and I'm just very gently going to add accents of silver just to accentuate the pattern, give it a little bit of glitter, just make it look a little bit more marbly, just make the pattern pop really. And you can do as much of this or as little of this as you would like all over your design. There's no specific place it has to go, just wherever you feel it would look nice. Once we've done that, we'll cure. So once it's cured, you can take another little look at your design and just see if there's anywhere you would like to add any more silver. I mean, equally you could add foil, you could add gems, anything you like. If you're happy with it as it is, take your top coat. I've got the Artistic Glossing Gel to just seal your design in. Always be sure that obviously you cap the end. And we'll cure. And here is our finished marble. So you can see just different colours, just gives you different ideas as to how the colours work. You could add, as I said, you know, gems or foil. You could use gold rather than silver. You could do more marbling over the nail, you could do less. The options are endless. Hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you for the next tutorial soon. Take care.